Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's video, we will be talking about installing Axie Infinity on Android. Let's start by opening a browser and search for Axie Infinity. Click on the first result, axieinfinity.com, then click on Play Now. This will take you to the download page. Click on Android APK button. You might get a warning about the file being harmful. Click on Download anyway. Once the download is complete, go to your browser's downloads and find the Axie Infinity APK. Click on it to start the installation process, and then click Install. After the installation, open Axie Infinity, log in, and start playing, and that's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.